Welcome to the monthly Caribbean Drone News, and for the December 2024 episode, we have 4 stories for you. A drone near miss threatens passenger plane in Trinidad. Belize deploys drone squadron to its borders. Mandatory drone operation training for ministry employees. And the first ever drone light show to light up a T20 cricket match. Let's get into it. In our first story, a passenger plane descending into Piarco International Airport in Trinidad came dangerously close to colliding with a drone. The aircraft, at an altitude of 3,500 feet, narrowly missed the drone by approximately 20 feet. This near-miss incident has prompted the TTCAA, which is the Trinidad and Tobago Civil Aviation Authority, to issue a stern warning to drone operators, reminding them of the strict height restrictions of 120 meters or 400 feet, and the severe consequences of reckless drone operations. The authority emphasized the potential for catastrophic accidents and warned that violating drone regulations can lead to hefty fines and imprisonment. Next up, the Belize Coast Guard has taken to the skies to strengthen its security efforts. A newly established drone squadron, equipped with advanced UAVs, will enhance surveillance, search and rescue operations, and counter drug trafficking. These drones will enable the Coast Guard to monitor remote areas, respond to emergencies more efficiently, and protect Belize's valuable marine resources. This technological advancement underscores the country's commitment to safeguarding its borders and ensuring the safety of its citizens. In our next story, the Ministry of Traffic, Transportation and Urban Planning in Curaçao emphasizes the importance of safe and efficient drone usage by its employees. The data collected through drones plays a crucial role in the ministry's daily operations. And to ensure optimal use, the ministry organized a mandatory training program for its employees on drone operations. The training was designed for staff members responsible for drone handling and operations in their daily work. Employees from the Public Works Service participated in the training, and the program aimed to strengthen the ministry's operational capacities, ensuring that drones are utilized effectively and in compliance with all relevant guidelines. This initiative reflects the ministry's commitment to enhancing the skills of its workforce while maintaining high standards of safety and efficiency in its operations. Lastly, St. Vincent and the Grenadines' first ever drone show took place during the cricket home series between the West Indies and Bangladesh. The show was aimed at entertaining the audience, including those on television, with a live telecast of the T20 matches that were held on December 15th and 19th. West Indies cricket authorities extended invitations to the patrons at the Arnosvale Sports Complex for the light show and cricket showdown. As part of the Christmas festivities, the drone show highlighted portraits of flags and national heroes of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And while we're on the topic of drone light shows, I want to take this opportunity to remind you all of the Pilots of the Caribbean Drone Light Show Archive, which is basically a listing of all the drone light shows that have taken place in the Caribbean thus far. I'll leave a link for that in the description. And if you know of any drone light shows that I might have missed, please send me a link and I'll make sure that the archive is updated. Thanks for watching, guys, and I would like to wish all of you season's greetings, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in the new year. Take care.